As an L&D professional, you've seen it. Courses get completed, scores look fine, but nothing really changes on the job. Most training fails quietly, not because it lacks content, but because the pieces don't connect. So how do you fix that? Every effective training program depends on 3 elements working together: objectives, content, and assessments. Start with the outcome. What should learners actually be able to do after training? That clarity changes everything. Content should support the goal. Not everything needs to be taught. Only what helps learners reach the objective. Assessments should reflect real work, not just recall, but decisions, actions, and tasks that mirror real situations. When these align, things click. Learning becomes clearer, faster, and easier to apply on the job. When they don't, nothing sticks. You get completion, but not competence. That's the difference between training that gets done and training that actually works. That's exactly how CommLab India approaches learning design, aligning objectives, content, and assessments so training leads to measurable performance.